Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a derpy Bulbasaur. We're going to start with a little circle right in the middle of the page, maybe a little to the left. We're going to give it a nice big round shape using our sketching pencil. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw a smaller little nub on the right, like so. And for the bulb, we're just going to draw a big lump right here. And then we want to map out the feet of Bulbasaur. Let's do a line right around the back over here. And we're going to go to the middle of the head, go down. And we're going to draw in a few feet. So we're going to do 1, 2. Let's do a third one right here. Once you're done with that, we can move on to inking the drawing. So grab your Sharpie and let's start drawing in the eyes. Since this is a derpy Bulbasaur, we're going to start with big, round, circular eyes. We go one right here, and then another one right on this side. Once you have those two done, we're going to add in a white highlight and another highlight in the middle. And then we're just going to leave it blank because we're going to actually color it red. Once that's done, let's draw the shape of the face. So we're going to go on either side and draw a line down, like so. And then we're going to meet in the middle right around here. Once you're done that step, we can draw in the ears. So the ears, let's go around this area. We're going to do a little U first. We're going to do a spike up to here and back down. And then we're going to continue this ear line or the face line, and we're going to go all the way around to connect it to this point. And we're going to draw in the second ear right around here. Once you're done with that, let's just draw in a derpy smile. We're going to go all the way across, like so. Now let's draw in some patterns. So we're just going to do a little triangle right here, a circle, and then one more shape right here. Once you're done with the head, we can move over to the bulb shape. The bulb shape is going to start right here, and you can go all the way up to this point. Once you're done with that, we're going to actually add in these simple 3 mountain shapes. We're going to go back down to here with the bulb, like so. Once you're done with the bulb, we're going to draw the body line from the back all the way down. And then continue, and then we could cap off the feet. But before we do that, let's draw in the toes. 1, 2, 3. Cap off the feet and go up. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other 2 feet. We're going to do 3 claws. And then draw in the bottom of the feet. And the final one right here. And then finally the belly line. Once you're done with the body, let's just draw in a few spots. And then maybe nostrils for the face. And then just these 2 lines to split the bulb up. And that's all you really need. Let's erase the lines we drew in earlier. Now that your Bulbasaur drawing is done, let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. If you have suggestions for any other Pokemon, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.